Arrive in style with this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, passenger vanity mirror, ABS, satellite radio, rear defrost, CD player, passenger airbag, and driver adjustable lumbar. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.